Stuck at home during the lockdown? Wondering if you can start a business today that is guaranteed to make money and grow bigger during the current pandemic? Hi, my name is Mosh Bari and I have some great news for you. Did you know that you can now launch a brand new 3-in-1 online megastore in just 60 seconds? Yes, and not just any regular store. What if you could combine the powers of Amazon, Shopify, Envato, and ClickBank into one megastore for you? Introducing ShopZPresso, a brand new megastore builder software that launches a 3-in-1 online megastore that can sell physical products, services, digital products, or even software licenses, all from one single store. No need to create separate stores, no need to pay monthly fees, no need to be limited by features. This is an incredible new solution that is first of its kind. In these troubled times when people are in lockdown, all the physical stores are closed. People are rushing to shop online, with all the e-commerce sites reporting a growth in sales and traffic. Amazon recently hired over 175,000 new people just to be able to fulfill all the new orders. This is the best time to create and launch your own store. Start selling physical goods, services, or even software products, all from one single megastore without any transaction fees or monthly fees. And the best part is, every single customer can instantly turn into an affiliate for you and earn commissions from your megastore, driving you free traffic, sending you buyers for free without you having to worry about running Google ads or Facebook ads or any kind of ads. This is the most innovative megastore builder software you have seen. Want to see how this works? Let me show you. All you need to do is follow simple steps, a few clicks, and get your megastore ready. Enter some basic info like your site name, URL, and a few simple settings. Press one button and boom! Your new online megastore is ready. Let's see how it looks. You instantly get a complete online megastore. Fully mobile friendly and responsive, you can sell anything you want from this megastore. Electronics, fashion products, books, shoes, gaming, software apps, digital downloads, licenses, anything you want. It comes with a beautiful built-in theme, and you can customize almost every part of it in just a few minutes. You can even run special deals and promotions on your megastore, offer coupons and discounts, run flash sales, and holiday shopping events. ShopZPresso comes with a built-in funnel system like Amazon. As soon as you add a product into the cart, it recommends other products that increases the order value and makes you more money. If you're stuck at home and thinking of starting an online business, launching a megastore is the best thing you can do right now. You can literally create a megastore in any language you want. More than 25 different languages are supported, and it works out of the box. So you can not just sell locally, but sell globally and make a lot more sales very easily. It comes with built-in order tracking that allows your customers to track orders, communicate with vendors, and even repeat orders easily. You can even add multiple payment methods to accept payments via PayPal, credit cards, online wallets, or any other method you want. It supports more than 10 different methods. Built-in social login allows your customers to log in just one click without needing to enter a password, making the shopping experience seamless. You can even bulk upload products via Excel sheet and load hundreds of products into your megastore in just a few clicks. When customers buy from your new megastore, invoices are sent to them instantly, and they can also download products immediately if you are selling software or licenses. The online megastore comes with a built-in blog system that allows you to add content and blog posts for marketing and get more traffic via SEO. All the products are automatically SEO optimized for higher ranking and more traffic. And last but not least, this megastore comes with a built-in affiliate program that allows every customer to turn into an affiliate, promote your site, and earn commissions. You can decide how much you pay for referrals and get free traffic from people just like Amazon does. This is a mind-blowing feature that will get you unlimited free traffic every single day. Never before has it been possible to create a MegaStore so quickly with so many amazing features, and to be able to sell physical products, digital products, and even license keys all from one MegaStore, one website, without any monthly fees or transaction fees ever. This is a golden opportunity for you. People are flocking to online shopping sites, and online sales are growing every single day. And that's why this is the perfect time to launch your online megastore using ShopZ Presso. For just a one-time payment, you can have access to this software, add it to your site, and create an online store in just a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Scroll down and grab this early bird access. The price is massively discounted and will go up very soon. Take action now and launch your online megastore in the next 10 minutes.